Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Surfshark multi-hop settings with safe account authorization, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Surfshark application on your device. Log in using your Surfshark account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu. Select the multi-hop option from the menu. You will see a list of available multi-hop server pairs. Choose the first server location by clicking on it. Next, select the second server location from the options provided. After selecting your server pair, click on the Connect button. Wait for the connection to be established. You will receive a notification confirming your connection status. To ensure safe account authorization, locate and open the Settings menu. In the Settings, find the Kill Switch feature and enable it for added security. Now, navigate to the Protocols section. Select the preferred VPN protocol for your connection. For optimal security, the OpenVPN protocol is recommended. Once your settings are finalized, go back to the main dashboard. You can now monitor your connection status and data usage. To test your multi-hop connection, visit a website to check your IP address. Make sure it reflects the correct multi-hop server location. If everything is in order, your connection is now secured. You can confidently browse the internet with enhanced privacy and protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.